glad that you're here. Welcome to the space lobby, you. Do you want to steer?
Hey, you! Cookie's all baked and bacon is cooked. Hey, that's the case.
On major peril, always need something done. But there's so much to learn, and Earth is so much fun. Can I help too? Yes, Snark, you can help too. Agent X, we need your help to succeed. Come on, let's go. We're on a mission to read.
This message is transmitted by the request of the Las Vegas Police Department. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, it has been confirmed that 3 creatures have appeared. The first creature is named Gooper, which turns things into red, and it will impact Seattle in the next 30 minutes. The second creature is called Keeper, which is a creature in Las Vegas that will make people turn into red. And the third creature is called Blow, and it will explode San Francisco in the next 3 hours. If you are in Seattle or San Francisco, seek a fallout shelter now. If you are in Las Vegas, go to your home and lock all windows and doors, and seal all cracks with tape or damp towels. Stay tuned for further updates as it becomes available.